Today in the garage at the Indian Motorcycle Product Development Center, we're gonna talk about the Stage 1 performance air intake and the Stage 1 oval exhaust. Dan, I love the way this bike looks. Can you tell me a little bit about what these modifications do for performance?
This is Stage 1 with performance. So the Stage 1 performance intake actually does increase horsepower. It's got a design inside the body that's like a squirrel cage. So as you drive and you force air into the front of that intake, it actually increases cylinder pressure. So it increases power as well. Same with the exhaust. So these exhausts are oval. They're a little bit more volume than the other pipes that we talked about earlier. And it's got a really cool style tip on this as well with a neat Indian brand. So this package actually increases power. It's less about style, it's more about performance.
Very good. Yeah, the blacked out option on this, it fits really well with this bike. It flows nice with the lines, and the exhaust is a really nice style upgrade as well.
Yeah, the intake's really non-consuming, right? I mean, it does its job, but it's not a standout part. It's just a performance part. It does what it's supposed to do and adds power.
Stage 1 ride is amazing.
Yes.
The power is so manageable. The bike really has good manners. It's very easy to ride. It's not a lot of work, but it really gives you some extra passing power.